When you manage your Linux server, security should always be a top priority. In this video, we'll go over some essential steps to secure your Linux server. There are many Linux distributions and versions, and specific commands for managing them may be slightly different. Here we use Ubuntu 20 for demonstration. Before we do any of these steps, we need to make sure that we have root permission. Enter this command. The commands will be written on the screen and in the video description, and you can copy them if you want. Step 1. Keep the Linux kernel and software updated. Enter the command code. Wait a minute, like this, you have successfully completed this step. You may also use this command, which can handle more complex updates that involve changing dependencies or removing obsolete packages. However, this command should be used with caution and only after reading the release notes and understanding the potential consequences of the update. It is recommended to run these commands regularly to keep your system secure and up to date. Step 2. Change password regularly. When you run this command, you will be prompted to enter and confirm the new password for the user. The password will not be displayed on the screen as you type it. Here we enter a new password. Once you have entered the new password twice, the user's password will be changed. Keep in mind that regularly changing passwords is a good security practice, but it is also important to ensure that the new passwords are strong and not easily guessable. Step 3. Change SSH port. In previous videos we taught how to change the SSH port for a Linux server. You can refer to this video for details. Step 4. Enable the firewall service and block unused ports. Install UFW using the following command. We need to allow the port. Enter this command. Then, enable firewall with the following command. Next, check the status of UFW using the following command. This will show the current status of UFW and rules that are already set. By default, UFW blocks all incoming connections and allows all outgoing connections. To block unused ports, you can add rules to the UFW configuration using the following command. Replace port with the number of the port you want to block. For example, to block incoming traffic on port 80, you would use the following command. Once you have added the rules to block the unused ports, reload UFW to apply the changes. That's it. You have successfully enabled the firewall service and blocked unused ports. Step 5. Use SSH key over the password for authentication. For security reasons, you may want to disable password authentication for SSH once you have verified that the SSH key authentication is working correctly. To do this, edit the SSH daemon configuration file and set the password authentication parameter to no. Locate these two lines, change yes to no, and save the changes. Finally, restart the SSH daemon for the changes to take effect. That's it. You have successfully set up SSH key authentication. By following these essential steps, you can significantly improve the security of your Linux server. Stay vigilant, and stay up to date on software and system to keep your server secure.